Welcome to the Grove at Lux Lane. We are an active adult, maintenance-free community located in the heart of Midlothian, Virginia. My name is Shanna Unger, and I am the sales manager who will assist you through the entire process of building your new home. The Grove is a boutique-sized community of 62 villa homes. The perfect size, small enough that you can get to know your neighbors, but not so large that you get lost in the crowd. And the perfect location, located in the heart of Midlothian, Virginia. It's close to all of your necessities for daily living and tucked away in a great location for privacy, safety, and serenity. Like all of Cornerstone home communities, this will be another thriving, close-knit community full of active, fun, and welcoming homeowners. Since opening for sale, we have sold 27 homes. These 27 homeowners are already getting to know each other and making connections while construction is beginning. Moving into this next life milestone, enjoying life without the worry of home maintenance and making new friends in the same stage of life is exactly why our homeowners love this lifestyle, and the #1 reason our homeowners move to a Cornerstone community. But it's not just the neighbors. These homes are built for your active lifestyle, for your comfort now, and for your future needs. These popular villa homes provide a great escape from the ordinary. The unique pinwheel design will wow you with luxury features and architectural details when you walk through the door. They are smartly designed, live large, and utilize every space. A favorite feature are the courtyards, forming the centerpiece of each home, bringing the outdoors in and providing an abundance of natural light. Of course, all of our plans offer single-level living with all of your must-haves on one level. But if you must, upstairs bonus spaces are available too. And of course, all of this is maintenance-free, so you have time to enjoy life. Focusing on a healthier and happier lifestyle, the Grove will have our signature, professionally managed corner patch gardens to provide the homeowners with fresh veggies, fruits, and flowers. The gardens will be a social hub for the neighborhood, as well as the large outdoor covered pavilion with a cozy gas fireplace. We truly believe that connecting with your neighbors and becoming friends makes for a happier and healthier life. The Grove will be woven together with walking trails through a wooded grove and tree-lined sidewalks. And we won't forget our four-legged friends with the shaded corner dog park for Fido to exercise and roam freely. Cornerstone has been solely focused on building homes and communities dedicated to wellness, connection, and lifestyle of people 55 plus for nearly 25 years. We have a unique understanding of what really matters to you. You want more than just a house. You want a home that simplifies your daily living, accommodates life changes, and frees you to spend more time doing what you love. The Grove offers this and much more. As the expert in adult active living, no one is more qualified or dedicated to bring you this experience than all of us at Cornerstone Homes. You deserve a home that embraces your lifestyle and keeps you engaged, connected, and inspired. Come visit us at the Grove. We can't wait to build a home for you.